Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video on our channel. Now, we all know that short form video today is brutal. You need to hook in seconds, move the camera like a real DP, hit the emotional beats, and make the sound feel alive. Now, for years that meant timelines, layers, plugins, and long nights in an editor. PixVerse V5.5 tries to kill all of that. You describe the story, hit generate, and it handles visuals, camera, sounds, and now full multi-shot storytelling in one go. So let's dive straight into it. So, what's new about PixVerse 5.5? This update is the real jump. You still get up to 10 seconds video per session, but it's what happens inside those 10 seconds that matters. First, audio. Old versions could fill some background ambience. V5.5 builds full cinematic sound. Dialogue, ambient layers, spatial depth, left and right separation, and sound that creates and reacts to camera movement. A whisper, footsteps, a spray sound, city noise, even emotional music rises and falls with the shot. Then comes multi-shot. Before, you got one angle. Now you can write prompts that read like an edit list. Close up, cut to wide, cut to tracking, cut to reaction. The system analyzes context and builds a sequence that actually feels like a story. Think of a perfume ad. Hand with the bottle, voiceover, spray sound, rooftop walk, hero shot. It layers the synth, the voice, the ambiance, the spray, all in one pass.
Discover the essence of wandering dreams beneath starlit skies.
Or take a typical Christmas case study. I wanted a cozy holiday commercial. I wrote a simple prompt. Snow falling outside a warm living room. A kid decorating a tree. Cut to a close-up of ornaments clinking. Cut to a wide of the family laughing as a golden retriever runs in wearing Christmas ribbon. V5.5 generated the jingle bell ambiance, soft fireplace crackle, child narration, and smooth angles changes. It felt like a polished holiday microfilm made by a full crew. You can also go wild with urban shots. A fox mascot rapping on a cold night, camera drifting, vocals on beat, city noise wrapped around you. Or a calm morning dock with skyline, street bustle, pedestrians, birds, and wind, all tied together by natural pacing.
Pizza boxes stacked like towers in my mind, delivering dreams one slice at a time. Cold streets can't freeze this grind.
Now, what makes this work is the huge upgrade under the hood. Motion and anatomy are more realistic. Animals move naturally, sports shots show real impact and tension, parkour and POV runs feel physically consistent. Cinematic detail is sharper. Skin, cloth, metal, shadows, lighting, hair, accessories, and motion blur all hold up better. Spatial logic is smarter, objects interact more cleanly, and camera transitions feel intentional. You don't need a complex prompt. You can write something like, "She falls in love with a rock star." Toggle audio and multi-shot. PixVerse completes the entire narrative. If you want control, you can build it shot by shot with cut to next scene.
Months later, the having the gentle man, the rock star.
Now, all the usual tools are still here, so don't worry. Swap for social face and subject swaps. Templates for viral formats. Fusion to blend subjects. Transitions for TikToks and Reels. Camera controls when you want a specific cinematic move. Now, it's not perfect. You can still hit a fast camera swing or a slightly odd line delivery if the prompt is vague. And if you love frame-perfect time control, the one-pass generation might feel different. But for most creators, getting a full audiovisual story with almost no effort is a massive win. Now, if you work with AI or short-form content, or you just want to feel what one-prompt storytelling is like, try PixVerse V5.5. Test the audio, try the multi-shot, experiment with holiday scenes, and see how far you can push it. If you love AI tools and creative workflows, hit subscribe and stick around for more deep dives. Thank you all for watching this video today. Happy holidays, and I'll see you all in the next one.